What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. As you guys probably saw from the title of today's video, that I just bought a dune buggy, a racing dune buggy. So I got it to have an e-brake last night. Before it didn't have any brakes. It started, but it didn't run because the clutch is stuck. So I took out the starter and I hopefully was able to make a little bit of progress because I was trying to get that clutch unstuck overnight, so I put some WD-40 on it overnight. So, but without further ado, look at that thing. Oh man. Okay. First things first, I was on a drive last night, one of the very few while I was trying to get this clutch unstuck, and I actually broke the fan belt. So let's put on our new fan belt. Should go right in there, a nice little V-belt. Oh, that's good. I just need to get that on somehow, which now I need to figure out how to, I guess I can take that one off. Hey, that was kind of cool. That's really cool. That I didn't know that you could put that on that way. There's these little grooves on the back and you just literally just crank it right on. Now, this air filter keeps coming off, so we need to get some sort of screw that can fit in that puppy. Okay, let's try and break this clutch free. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 Now we're in first. We start us up. Oh. I completely forgot to attach the starter. That would help. Okay. That needs to go back in there. So let's get that starter on. Now we can do a nice little startup finally. Come on in here. Okay. We're in first. Gas. Ready? See what we can't do. We need to get this brake or this clutch unstuck from it. Sweet, we finally got the clutch unstuck. E-brake.
Other than brakes, the fish is calling me.
Hello?
Alright, love you, bye. what, just ask the brake?
Yeah.
This ain't even street legal.
Used to be. I'm curious what this gear is.
You're curious.
Oh, it's just sport. I just want to make
Okay.
sure it wasn't reverse.
Yeah, you just start backing it up to the car behind us or something. How fast can this go?
I don't know. There's no speedometer.
We got something like World War II and just go around. They'd be like, where are we, laddie? You'd be like Captain America. Just out of ice.
You're the first person to ride in it. Besides me.
Yeah, I assumed. This is like crazy. I can like touch the floor.
You know how I'm driving this?
Oh.
I put that wrench right there. So if that wrench came out, we're pretty much screwed.
What does that mean? Wait, for this? For your hard brakes?
No, that's for not for my brakes, for my gas.
Wait, you're turning right?
Yeah.
Why are we turning right? Is this like telling you if it's full or not?
What?
How do you know if it's full or not?
You just guess. That guy's like, yeah.
That's a windshield wiper? Does it work?
Not right now. I need to rewire it. I think the wires are all eaten up.
You should like fit like a little clamp right here and get like a little horn. You. I think that's a great idea.
What was?
To get a clamp like right here, like right there, and have like a little horn that you can tune, like
What?
like a horn,
Oh,
like you can tune it.
put under your feet. There's one under your feet, I think. What? Put them under your feet. Do you see anything again? There should be something.
Oh, there is.
Now you come home. I tried to video you guys, and like I caught you right as you left the field.
Oh, that's so
And then I didn't see you, and then I'm like, well, they must have got pulled over because it got really quiet for a long time.
we drove to Costco.
You drove to Costco and put gas in it?
No, I already had gas.
Eagle? Oh my god.
You want to ride, Mom, or Faith?
You wanna hop in, Faith?
Thanks.
Pretty fun.
Smell like the pilot watch. You know how you have airplanes that have that exhaust?
Yeah.
It's called the exhaust wash.
Or,
Yeah, it's not like the exhaust.
oh, oh, it drives.
What do you think?
I thought you were gonna get a race car.
Kinda.
Was this the car you wanted me to check out with you?
Yeah. Isn't it cool? Okay, we've test driven it. I've adjusted the clutch. Super simple. It was basically just tightening those right there. So that was good. So we have the clutch adjusted. We have the emergency brake adjusted, well, as best as we can. And next thing, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna vacuum out all that junk because it looks like it sat under trees for a while. So let's vacuum up everything that we can, and then we're gonna pressure wash it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.